This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good chocolate chip cookies step by step. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet with parchment. Cream butter and sugars until light. Add eggs one at a time, then vanilla and dry ingredients, fold in chocolate chips. Scoop 2 tablespoon balls, chill for 30 minutes, then bake 10-12 minutes until edges are golden and enjoy. Measure ingredients precisely and weigh flour with a scale for consistent cookies every time. Use room temperature butter and eggs to ensure proper creaming and structure. Do not overmix once you add flour. Stop when just combined to avoid tough cookies. For varied texture, combine milk and semi-sweet chips and sprinkle flaky salt on top before baking. Chill dough for 30 minutes to control spread. Thanks for sticking with me, and if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfy during long baking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and thanks again. I appreciate everyone who tries these recipes. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with baking time and temperature to find your ideal chewiness or crispiness. Lower temp gives a more even bake. Use brown sugar for chew, white sugar for crisp, and a mix of both for balance. Try adding toasted nuts, oats, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor depth. Cool cookies on the pan for a few minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.